Chinu, it is morning. The sun has come up. Wake up fast.
I can wake him up easily.
Stop it, Buzz. Meenu, Buzz is troubling me. Buzz, come here. Let us go and say hello to the sun. Oh, Buzz, look here. The sun is here. The sun is always here in the morning. It rises from this side. It is called the east.
What is east?
It is a direction. It is the side from which the sun rises in the morning.
Oh, the sun rises in the east. East.
Okay, let us all play a game. Let's all look at the sun. Raja, come on. Look at the sun. Okay, stretch out your hands.
What do I do?
Stretch your wings, Buzz.
Raja is stretching his ears. He is looking funny.
Look here. Now you know which is east. We are facing east. Now the direction on our left hand is called north.
Meenu, wait. Which is my left side? What is left?
This is your left side and this is your right side.
Okay, now I know. Left and right. Left and right. This is my left side, so this is not.
Yes, and your right side is south.
Raja, this is south. What is at the back then?
The direction at the back is west. That is where the sun goes down. It goes back to sleep in the west direction and it will come back again in the morning from the east.
Oh, can I say it once again? This is east. The sun comes up from here. This is west. The sun goes back from here. This is north on the left side. This is south on the right side.
Yes, Buzz. There are 4 directions. East, west, north, and south.
I now know left and right also. Meenu, I can fly to my left and then to my right.
Look at Raja. He is also running to his left and then to his right. Very good. Now let us get ready
to go to school. Look, Buzz is already waiting for breakfast.
Meenu, let's hurry up. We are getting late for school.
Chinu, how do you know you are getting late for school?
Because I saw the time in the clock.
How does the clock tell the time?
Come here, Buzz. I will tell you. Can you see these numbers?
Yes, the numbers are from 1 to 12.
Buzz, can you see the hands of the clock? Look at these two hands. A small hand and a big hand.
Yes, a small hand and a big hand. The big hand keeps moving.
Yes, only when these hands move, the clock can tell the time correctly. The sun takes 12 hours to go from the east to the west. So there are 12 hours of daytime.
Again, the sun takes 12 hours to rise from the east. So there are 12 hours of night time.
12 plus 12 makes 24. So we have 24 hours in a day.
But there are numbers only up to 12 in the clock.
Yes, when 12 hours of daytime is over, then night time starts again. Can you tell the time now, Buzz?
I will help you. Look, the small hand is on 8 and the big hand is on 12. So, it is 8 o'clock in the morning and time to go to school.
What happens when both the small hand and the big hand are on 12?
Oh, Buzz, it is 12 o'clock then. If it is in the morning, we call it noontime.
If it is 12 o'clock in the night, we call it midnight.
If it is 5 o'clock in the evening, I call it playtime.
Buzz, it is 8 o'clock in the morning now. So, it is school time. Friends, do you also go to school on time?
It is good to do all your work on time. We should study when it is study time and play only when it's playtime. Friends, Buzz needs help. Will you help him? But you have to answer loudly. In which direction does the sun rise?
In which direction does the sun set? West. If you are facing the rising sun, which direction will be to your right? It will be south. Which direction will be behind you? West. If you are facing the east, which direction will be to your left? North. How many hours are there in a day? "24 hours." Shall we fill in the blanks now? The sun rises in the dash. The sun rises in the east. When you are facing the east, the direction to your left will be dash. When you are facing the east, the direction to your left will be north. The direction which is opposite to east is dash. The direction which is opposite to east is west. Time keeps dash. Time keeps moving. There are dash hours in a day. There are 24 hours in a day.
The sun rises in the east. When you are facing the east, the direction to your left will be north. The direction which is opposite to east is west. Time keeps moving. There are 24 hours in a day.
Bye, friends.
We have to go now. Otherwise, we will be late for school. We always like to be on time for school.